To make this curry spice chicken, we have 2 pounds of bone-in chicken thighs. I got my tongs for this. Bone-in chicken thighs, about 2 pounds. You can go a little less. With skin on, even better. There you go. Then we're going to do our seasoning spices, which is about a tablespoon of curry powder, hot curry powder, medium curry powder. A tablespoon of curry powder goes in a bowl. Also lemon pepper. So we got about a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Put that in there. Teaspoon of lemon pepper, alright that. Then we got cumin. A teaspoon of ground cumin. I gotta make sure it's gonna go in there. Teaspoon of ground cumin goes in. Let's level that out, there we go. We have also a cup of breadcrumbs. You can use gluten-free or regular breadcrumbs. That's your call. This mix all gets mixed in a bowl. Spices, breadcrumbs first, spices, breadcrumbs, all that around, right? There we go. You can put some pepper in there too. If you like a lot of heat, you could put like pepper flakes or cayenne pepper, but I'm just putting regular pepper in there. A couple of hits of regular pepper. Like a half teaspoon's worth of pepper for some little bit of heat. We mix that all around, really good. You want to really mix your breadcrumbs and curry powder and all that stuff mixed up really well. We're going to add to that olive oil, or a light olive oil or a vegetable oil, about 1/4 of a cup of the olive oil to help bind this breadcrumb mixture all together. So it's going to get wet. That's just what we want. Mix that all wet, all around. Get that all mixed up really, really well so it's nice and wet. Because what's going to happen, we're just going to basically pat this onto our chicken. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. Very important. We're going to have a sheet tray that you're going to put all this on. Okay, we have that sheet tray. Move that there, and we got our lovely breadcrumb mixture. There you go, just like that. It starts getting nice and yellow after a while. Next, we're going to get ready to coat our chicken. So we got our chicken in a bowl. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of water to that chicken. Okay, we want to get it nice and moist. You can use gloves, you can use tongs, you can just use your plain old bare hands. We're going to get our chicken a little bit moist there. These are big thighs. Best if you get free range. It's a happier chicken. Okay. Then what you're going to do is get your chicken right there on one side and your breadcrumbs, and then the other side. Both sides. Get them nice and coated. Both sides with your breadcrumb mixture, and you're going to put that right on your tray. Skin side up. Right on your tray, skin side up. There we go. One side, either side. Pat that dry. Not dry, but pat it. It's going to sit on there. It's going to be like a crust. Alright? Keep going. Get them all coated on top and bottom. You should have enough for at least 4 to 6 nice sized chicken thighs. All ready to go in that water first. And of course, under and over. We're going to have a little bit of our coating left. And we're going to pat that on the top of our chicken right before we get ready to go in the oven. Spread them out. Okay, then you're going to take that extra breadcrumbs, pat that down there, just on the top. You don't need a lot extra on the sheet tray because it's going to get too dark. But skin side up is definitely a must. Pat it nice and firm. There you go. We're all set, and we're going to get ready to go in the oven. All right, oven's on 400. I got the convection fan on, even better. We're going to give that at least a half an hour, 30 minutes. All right, it has been 30 minutes. We're going to check out the temperature on our chicken. You're going to need a thermometer to see where you are. It's got to be 160 inside, the thickest part of the thigh, with that crust on the outside. Let's see what we got. Okay, thickest part of the thigh there. And we're good to go. Awesome. So let it cool down a little bit before you eat, and you're all set.